Here we go, folks. Wow, can today get any better? 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Resto-Mod. Oh my gosh. First thing this morning was a 67 Vet, and now 55 Chevy Bel Air. This car is amazing. We got a sport coupe. See some American racing wheels. It's got a rebuilt 350, 5.7 liter, bored out, 40 over, with a 327 cam. It's got a 350 3-speed turbo trans. It's got air conditioning, got power disc brakes. In the front, it's got power steering, it's got tilt wheel. It's got 8-way electric seats with a console. Custom interior, wait till you see it, it's gorgeous. Electronic ignition, Edelbrock intake, 4-barrel, 600 carb, dual 14-inch MagnaFlow exhaust, stainless steel. The list goes on and on. Let's take a quick peek inside. I'm out here in Redding, California. It's heating up. We just came through cool April nights and it's 90 degrees today. Wow, look at this. This upholstery really resonates with me. Just looks comfy. There's the 8-way power seat. Leather wrap steering wheel. Tilt. Looks like Jerry's got a CB in there. Nice big console. Plush back seat. Nice headliner. Lights are working. I took a lot of still pictures. Please check them out at plattmotors.com. Doesn't get much better than this. Look at the plushness. Wowzers. 8-way power. Look at that beautiful back seat. A lot of time, money, and energy went into this build. Yes, it's got air conditioning. It gets hot in the summertime in Redding. It's got 16-inch American racing wheels with an offset in the rear. It's got a Nova 10-bolt rear with an axle ratio of 273. 3-row Modine flow radiator. New interstate battery. The radiator was a Record 2022. It's got tinted glass. It's got approximately 35,000 miles since the car was restored. It's got a stereo sound system. And a complete parts list is available. The owner is a meticulous guy. He took really good care of his 55, just like he takes care of all the stuff. And this is who you want to buy from. This is exactly who you want to buy from. When I buy classic cars, I want to buy from a guy or gal who has intimate knowledge of the vehicle. I want to buy from someone who took meticulous care of their vehicle. So if you like 55 Chevys like I do, you should give me a call. My name's Michael Platt, and I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com is the website. check out the stills. This one's next. It's 55 Chevy Bel Air time. Appreciate you looking at my videos. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you and have a great day.